Welcome to an overview demonstration of the SmartPage customizable user interface from IQMS. SmartPage puts the power of configuration in users' hands, which provides access to all their available system modules in one place, allowing them to customize the way in which they appear on the screen. Management can also create standardized module layouts and dashboards that are consistent across departments, which are easily shareable across entire organizations. SmartPage becomes a portal for employees to access all relevant business data, giving them a quick glance look at not only the current performance of their operations, but access to all of the system modules they use on a daily basis. SmartPage is also seamlessly integrated with Crystal Reports and IQ Alert. Users can access reports within SmartPage and have IQ Alerts periodically distribute the generated reports to anyone of their choosing, all while working within the same customized dashboard. Now let's take a look into the SmartPage module. Upon logging in, users are presented with a single dashboard tab that includes all of the areas within the software that they have access to, based on their security settings within system parameters. Users can click and drag any of these areas to various parts of the screen to fit their preferences or possibly their daily workflow. If a user would like to create a new dashboard, they can click on the asterisk here that is marked New Dashboard. Renaming the dashboard is as easy as right-clicking and selecting Dashboard Settings. For this example, we will create a production dashboard that has some business intelligence information readily available. This sort of dashboard might be ideal for someone like a production manager. To do this, we will click on the BI dashboard icon, which brings up dashboards that have already been created in the system. A user might also want to include shortcuts to other areas of the software, making it quick and easy to access these modules. To do this, they will select the Shortcuts tab, which presents the option to configure shortcuts. Here, users will see all available shortcuts available to them, again based on their security settings within the system. They also have the ability to change the shortcut tab name here. This dropdown aims to organize the shortcuts into different groups, such as estimating, manufacturing, and so on. Once the desired modules are moved over to Your Shortcuts and the user clicks Apply, these modules are now available in the newly created Shortcuts tab. Let's go ahead and create one more dashboard for this demonstration. Once all the desired tabs have been created, users can move them to any part of the screen they wish, including the sidewall, where they can be pinned down in an organized fashion. So in this example, if the user wants to see the BI dashboard and KPI information first, they can have it set as the main screen, but they still have access to their vital manufacturing and scheduling information as well as their real-time monitor modules. Many users work heavily with reports in their day-to-day jobs, and SmartPage is a powerful tool that allows them to stay on top of this information. The system allows many reports to be saved on the dashboard, and they can even be set up to run automatically at a frequency of the user's choosing. Users can set up reports to occupy a tab at the top of their SmartPage screen, so periodically they can click over to those items and view the information that has been generated. Users might also want to set up a pending approval screen within their SmartPage configuration. Using the system's automated workflow system, a user may be responsible for signing off on pending approvals. Having this readily available on their dashboard would make completing these responsibilities much more convenient. The SmartPage module also includes various widgets that users may want to include in their field of view. Things like RSS feeds, the weather, stock tickers, and even a web browser are all included. Finally, once the dashboard is completely customized and set, a user can select Dashboard, then Export Dashboard as File to save the configuration. This is especially useful if, say, you want all members of the manufacturing department to have the same setup, or if executives should all be looking at the same arrangement of information on their screen. In order for a user to import a dashboard configuration, they would select Dashboard, then Import Dashboard from File. This concludes our high-level overview of the SmartPage module from IQMS. Whether it is being set up for entire departments with similar needs or individuals within an organization with very specific preferences, a great deal of customization can take place within SmartPage, especially considering the use of not only tabs but sub-tabs and pinned sidewall placements as well. With full reporting capabilities and access to graphical business intelligence information, users have the tools necessary in one screen to increase their efficiencies and improve workflows. Thank you for taking the time to watch this overview of the Smart Page Customizable User Interface from IQMS. If you would like more information on the products and services from IQMS, please visit iqms.com.